No. Afam Ngozika. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika and you're welcome to my channel. Whew. Igbo Amaka. Igbo language is fun and super easy to learn. In the previous video, we did a lot of things about introductions like we have done in the previous, the first and the second video. This is the third video. Actually, there's something important I forgot to talk about in my second video, and it's so important that I can't let it go. So I decided to treat it, to talk about it, and that's what we're going to do today. But before we go into the business of the day, please, if you are new to this channel, after watching and you learn a thing or two and you enjoy what you see or what you've seen or what you saw, please don't forget to use the like button and the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so let's have fun together. Today we are going to talk about names. I skipped that for reasons I can't remember, but it's so important, so I decided to make a video, a whole full video on that alone because of its importance. Name. What is your name? Nobody introduces him or herself without mentioning his name or her name. Yes, so we're talking about what is your name? My name is that. My name is this. So let's start with that. Kedu afagi? Afamubo. Kedu afagi? What is your name? Kedu afagi? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Kedu afagi or kedi afagi? Kedu afagi or kedi afagi? What is your name? Afamubo. My name is da. So my name is Dash. My name is Gracie. My name is Kelvin. My name is Ejike. My name is Anita. My name is Ifeanyi. And that's just it. It's super easy. So simple. Anybody can learn this. You can learn it. Anybody at all, because it's very, very easy and simple. So, what is your name? Kedu afagi or kedi afagi? What is your name? My name is. You pronounce your name. So when you meet someone by way of introduction, the person says, what is your name? You know what to say. Or you're the one that asks first. Kedu afagi? What is your name? My name is that. My name is this. Now, when you are being asked what your name is and you say it, and you want to ask back the same question to the person, normally you say "and you" in the English language, right? But in Igbo, you just say "nke gi kwanu." Nke gi kwanu. Nke gi kwanu simply means "and yours?" Nke gi kwanu or afa nke gi kwanu. And what is also your name? Nke gi kwanu, afa nke gi kwanu or nke gi kwanu. Afa nke gi kwanu. They all mean the same thing. They are all the same thing, yes. Nke gi kwanu, afa nke gi kwanu. And yours, and yours, and yours. So, let's go again. My name is Anita. Afambo Anita. Nke gi kwanu and yours. Afa nke gi kwanu and yours is still the same thing. What is also your name? Afa nke gi kwanu or nke gi kwanu, and that's just it. The person will reply by telling you his or her name, and that's just it. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. So let's start again. When you meet someone, whether newly or it's something you do regularly, or maybe you meet someone newly And you go by saying hello, hi, ndewo, dalo, oh no. Ka afagi, kedu afagi? What is your name? Kedu afagi? And you reply, my name is Afambo Chioma, Afambo Michael, Afambo Mackenzie. And you also want to know the person's name. Simply say Afankegikwan or Inkegikwan, Inkegikwan or Afankegikwan, Afankegikwan or Inkegikwan. And yours? And the person replies, my name is that. My name is the other one. You see? It's very easy and fun. This is not difficult. Just take it slowly, slowly, slowly. Calm down. Calm down. Really calm down. Afankegikwan. And yours? Afambu Ngozika. Afankegikwan. My name is Ngozika. And yours? Afankegikwan or Inkegikwan. And yours? So it's as simple as that. Nothing difficult. It's nothing you cannot do. It's something you can do anytime, any day. Just believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Give yourself some time. Be consistent. That is how you are going to get used to it, master it like a craft, like an art. Be serious, but at the same time, do it in a fun way. You know, be playful with it. Don't be like too serious like that. You might not grab it, you know. But when you relax your mind, I think a whole lot of changes is going to happen. So we've done a lot now. Now we know how to introduce ourselves by telling our names, asking what your name is. My name is that, your name is the other one. Afagekwan, Afamubu Ngozika, Afamubu Ifeanyi. My name is Ifeanyi. My name is Anita. My name is Celine. What is your name? Kedu afage? Kedu afage? What is your name? Afamubu da 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 da. My name is da 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 da. Inkegi kwanu. Inkegi kwanu. And yours? Or Afankegi kwanu. And yours? Still the same thing. But it's either you choose Inkegi kwanu or Afankegi kwanu. And you're good to go. Yay! I thought it's going to be fun. And it's not difficult at all. I'm still your girl, Ngozika. Please, we have come to the end of today's video. If you still want more, if you still want to see me more, if you still want to see more of my videos on Igbo speaking, please don't forget to use the like button and the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to be notified. Kemesiano means what? See you later. Bye.